Hi guys, it's Dan at Highlander Brewing Supply, and we're going to have the video tour right now of our all-grain 3-pack, the 10-gallon version. Comes in 10 and 15. Here's the 10-gallon all-grain 3-pack. If you're like me, when you moved away from cooking on the stove, you want to go outside, you want to get away from the partial mash, you want to go to traditional all-grain 3-vessel system. It's expensive, but I'm making you a deal on these things. And so here we go. First thing you're going to need is a hot liquor tank. The HLT, the hot liquor tank, is going to give you the hot water to mash in the mash tun, and it's also going to give you sparge water to sparge or rinse the grains out of the mash tun, or rinse the sugar out of the mash tun. So typical hot liquor tank will have a level gauge, which everybody calls a sight gauge. If you're like me, you're going to move the wort by gravity, or move the water by gravity. So you're going to have the hot liquor tank sitting up above the mash tun, and you don't want to, have to screw around making sure you have enough water, so you'll be able to see how much water is inside the hot liquor tank. Comes with removable, adjustable brewing thermometers, like all the units, kettle valve, 1/2-inch full port valve, and a barbed fitting to put in the transfer tube, or connect the transfer tube. Comes with a lid. Next step, the hot water goes into the mash tun. Mash tun is our 10-gallon cooler-based mash tun. It's got the removable adjustable brewing thermometer set inside, so it's not going to get banged around. 1/2-inch full port valve, another barbed fitting. Inside, you've got a 12-inch stainless steel false bottom connected to the back of the valve by high temperature tubing. And then the nicest thing about this, I think, is the sparge-o-matic fitting for sparging. If you're going to fly sparge, this is a great setup. If you look on YouTube for the video just for this cooler, you'll see this thing in action. It gives a nice gentle spray. Doesn't give you just a stream of water that's going to dig in through the grain bed and reduce efficiencies. 3/8-inch fitting up here. Just get the hot liquor tank up above it. You adjust the flow through the sparge-o-matic with the valve on the hot liquor tank, and off you go. And then out of here you're going, of course, into the brew kettle. Brew kettle, another heavy-duty 10-gallon aluminum pot. This one has the kettle screen in here, which will screen out the trub, the hops, anything makes a mess in your brew kettle. You don't want it in your fermenters, so let's keep it in there. Once again, 1/2-inch full port kettle valve fitting, removable brewing thermometer, and we're going to send you 10 feet of high temperature transfer tube. Cut it to length, however your setup is, and that'll move the liquid. Just slides onto the barb fitting, and you're done. Easy peasy. Any questions, call us or email us, highlanderbrewingsupply.com. Thanks very much.